What you want? Why you back? Huh? Huh? What you want? You know I don't like you like that, Shawty.
I don't give a fuck though. You too old for me though.
I'm too old for you.
Yeah, you too old for me though.
No, you too young for me.
Oh yeah,
Yep.
I'm too young though.
Mm-hmm.
Nah, I'm gonna let you slide though.
You gonna let me slide. Okay.
Hey, but who pearls you stole though?
These Granny Glock pearls. Okay.
Oh,
Who
they is
toy
though.
gun you the stole?
Who took good? Hey, you gonna motherfucking try me though?
That shit
Hey,
so
where you? I'm
jacked
finna
up.
slide.
They
Hey,
use
who finna
fake
slide this motherfucker?
chips
Hey,
and
you really gonna try me
everything.
though? You say who toy gun I stole though?
They get you a new gun, Shawty.
I'm gonna fire your old ass up though. I'm gonna fire your old ass up though. Say
What you
what
gonna
though?
do about it, Shawty? Oh, fake
What you
ass
what you gonna do
friend.
about it though? Are you think you funny though?
I am funny.
Oh, you got jokes though? Oh, you got jokes though?
Yeah, we got jokes. You always getting on
Nah.
everybody else, Shawty. G. Now I'm finna get on you. How about that?
Let's go then.
Oh, you wanna have a Jody? Okay. What you got? Come on.
I'm waiting on you though.
No, I'm waiting on you.
I'm
I done
waiting on you
already
though.
got on you.
Hey, where your life alert at though?
Hold on, let me pause. Let me
Huh?
pause this real quick. What you say?
Hey, this my AC over there. Your prune juice. She gonna be on the toilet though.
First of
Oh, shitty
all,
booty ass. Hey,
this is
she gonna be on the
alcohol,
toilet.
baby.
Nah,
Looking
that's
like a
prune juice though.
toothbrush over there.
Hey, I
Sound
know
like
prune
you
juice when
look
I
like
see
a
it though.
paintbrush.
I know prune juice when I see it though.
You don't got no
Hey, the
teeth.
motherfucker talking about Cavassier.
You can't even say
Huh?
Cavassier with no teeth in your mouth. Yum, 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 yum. All goes.
You think you funny though?
You like a big toe.
Hey, you ain't funny though. I'm gonna fire your old ass up though. Look at you over there though.
You ain't got no
That old,
earlobes.
hey, what you wearing though? Picnic table though?
Why the
Hey, you
back of
in the
your
pic?
head
Hey,
so
she over
flat?
here wearing the drapes though? Hey, she over here wearing the curtain drapes though? Huh?
Look like somebody mushed your head, back of your head like
Huh?
this.
Hey, you giving me picnic vibes though?
Ah,
Hey,
shit.
you giving me
Them
mothball
good old
vibes
ass
though?
eyelids,
You give
nigga.
me mothball
We about
vibes
to get
though?
on your ass.
Alright. I'm waiting though. You
Take
ain't
that
saying
scarf
nothing
off
funny
your
though.
head. Take that scarf off your head. I bet your hairline the shape of a bee. Mexican.
Hey, I'm finna say what the one. What the girls be saying now though? It's the bonnet for me. It's
You
the bonnet for
damn, you
me.
damn right, Granny Glock. Granny Glock looking good with that bonnet on, but you hide that hairline.
I'm hiding my hairline though.
Yep. Take the scarf off.
I'll be back though. I'm finna go. I was finna slide though.
Come on, come. Oh, you finna
Were you
slide?
in the ground folks club
Finna
though?
slide? Come on, Granny Glock, ready. When you coming?
What you got in veneers though?
Veneers?
Those veneers
You
though?
need some veneers.
Yeah.